How to make your iPhone battery last longer. Let's get started. Open your settings. Number 1, you have to head towards the option General, open it. Now go to the option Background App Refresh. At the top, you will find the option of Background App Refresh, open it. Select the option off. After you do that, go back. Number 2, you have to go to the option Siri and search. Go to the main page of settings and scroll down. Now head towards this option Siri and search. Scroll down. Now toggle off for all these options. Number 3, go to the option Privacy and Security. Open it. At the very top, you can see the option of Location Services. Open it. Toggle off for this option Location Services. Tap on Turn Off. Number 4, go to the option Battery. Tap on this option Battery Health and Charging. Toggle on for this option Optimize Battery Charging. Likewise, go back. Toggle on for this option Low Power Mode. Number 5, head towards the option Accessibility. Open it. Go to the option Motion. Toggle on for this option Reduce Motion. Head back to the main page of settings. Number 6, go to the option Display and Brightness. Check in for this option Dark Mode. Number 7, go to the main page of settings and head towards the app Accessibility. Go to the option Display and Text Size. Scroll all the way down. Toggle off for this option of Auto Brightness. Applying all these tips, your iPhone battery is definitely gonna last longer. So this is how you can make iPhone battery last longer. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.